Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the vidIQ extension on your Android phone. First, open the Play Store and search for Yandex browser. Then, install it. Once it's installed, open the browser and search for the Chrome Web Store. Then go into it, search for vidIQ and tap Add to Chrome to install the extension. After it's installed, open YouTube using the Yandex browser and switch to desktop mode. Now you will be able to use the vidIQ extension on your Android phone. To unlock all features, make sure to log in with your account. Just sign in into vidIQ and start using it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.